Hello and welcome my dear students. How are you all? Rohan sir is back with all new English lecture for my dear second standard students. I hope students my previous lecture in which for the first time I gave you this board lecture, I hope that you enjoyed it a lot, and I also got many messages, many phone calls from the students, even from the parents. They said that sir, we are really enjoying these kind of lectures. It feels like we are sitting in a class. And I said, I will make sure that my students will enjoy the studies in this lockdown as well. My dear students, let us start with the revision. You know that exams are going to begin. So, and you also know that in the previous lecture also we were doing the revision work. Before starting revision, I have brought one thought for you, specially which is very much applicable in the exam time for the students. What is the thought? If you focus on result, it will never change. If you focus on change, you will get the results. So this thought is very simple, very easy to understand. You keep on focusing on result and result. It will never come. If you focus on change, I need to change this way, I need to change that way, I need to finish this, you will get the result if you plan accordingly. So I hope you understood the meaning of this thought. This is a very wonderful thought. So let's get started with today's revision. After listening the beautiful thought, let us focus on the change. So please give the heading Lesson 3 Revision. Please give the heading Lesson 3 Revision. Until then, I will clear this board so that I can write revision work for you all people. I hope you are giving the heading Lesson 3 Revision. Okay, so I have cleared my board for you people. Please give the heading Lesson 3 Revision. I hope students you have given the heading by now. So please also write today's date in your page, in the new page where you give the heading Lesson 3 Revision. Also make sure you mention today's date. Now in the previous lecture we have started our revision. We did two things. First is meanings, second is true or false. So these two things we have revised in our previous lecture of English revision, that is just before this lecture. Now sir, what will we do in this lecture? We are going to continue with the objective revision and the subjective revision of lesson 3. Yes, that means we will do FB and question answers revision. Are you all ready? Let's get started with the revision. I hope you all have given this much heading. Now, first thing what we are going to do is fill in the blanks, FB. So please give the heading. Below this heading, give another heading, fill in the blanks in your new page. Like I am also going to give the heading, fill in the blanks. Please give the heading, my dear students, fill in the blanks. I hope you are working with me, and you see this time not only you but your sir also has to write and everything. So you are not alone to write. So I hope you have given the heading. Please give the heading. I will wait for 2 seconds. Okay students, So if you have watched my previous lecture, yesterday's lecture, you might be knowing that our format is first we write down all the questions and then we write the answer. In the same way we are going to work today. Today also you will have to write the questions with me. When I am writing the question, you also have to note down the questions in your books, in your rough notebooks. And then I will write the answer discussing with you. At that time you also have to write the answers. I hope this thing is clear to you. So let's get started. Let us write the question first for filling the blanks. So please try to copy it down with me. Number 1. Every morning Jack carried the milk to the dash to sell. This is question number 1. I hope you can see. I will keep the board clear for you for 2 seconds. Every morning Jack carried the milk to the dash to sell. Please make sure that you are writing the questions. Number 2. The old man gave bean dash to Jack for his cow. Number 3. Students, you keep on writing the questions because I will not give you more than 5 seconds to 10 seconds extra. Please make sure you are copying the question from the board. Number 3. Jack jumped on the dash. Jack jumped on the dash. Number 4. The giant's wife gave Jack dash and dash. The giant's wife gave Jack dash and dash. And number 5, children. Okay, I will keep this board empty for 2 seconds so that you can see the questions properly. Because if I am moving here and there, I know that you are getting distracted. But please make sure you are writing the questions, and in the previous lecture, like I said, you can also leave one line while you are writing the question. Okay, number 5, which is the last question. When the giant said L-A-Y, lay, the hen laid dash egg, and that's it. These were the 5 questions for filling the blanks. Please have a look and please make sure you are writing each and every question properly. I hope that students you are writing the questions properly. Okay, now students I will read the questions for you. I will read the questions one by one so that you will get again extra time. If you have not finished, you will again get the extra time to write it. So I am going to read it. Number 1. Every morning Jack carried the milk to the dash to sell. Number 2. The old man gave bean dash to Jack for his cow. Number 3. Jack jumped on the dash. Number 4. The giant's wife gave Jack dash and dash. And number 5. When the giant said lay, the hen laid dash egg. Please have a look. Students, please make sure that you are writing the questions and you finish writing the question. If you will try to write it quickly, your writing skills will get enhanced. It will get better. So please make sure you copy down the questions in the given time. Yes, probably it will happen that you will not be able to finish all the questions. You can watch the video lecture again and again as many as times you want. But please make sure you do the revision properly from the lectures. Okay, now I suppose you should have finished writing the question. So we are going to write the answers now for all these questions. I hope you all are ready. So number 1 is, every morning Jack carried the milk to the dash to sell. Now you all know that Jack had a cow. The name of that cow was Milky White. So Jack carried the milk every morning. Where? To sell it and to get the money? To the market, obviously. So market is the answer. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Please write down the answer. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. I hope you are writing the answer. Okay. Now number 2. The old man gave bean dash to Jack for his cow. Now Jack was going to the market, and one day it happened that Milky White, the cow, gave no milk. So what happened? Jack went to sell the cow on the order of his mother. So Jack, when he was going to the market to sell the cow, an old man came across his way. Now that old man wanted to buy Jack's cow and Jack wanted to sell. So old man gave bean dash to the Jack for his cow. Old man did not give money. What did he give? He gave bean seeds. So bean is already written. You have to just write seeds. Please copy down the answer. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. Old man gave to Jack bean seeds for his cow. So bean is already written. So I think this one was very easy for you because bean is already written. Now, number 3. Jack jumped on the dash. Now where did the Jack jump? On which thing he jumped in the morning? Very easy answer it is, just try to think. Now what grew up? Yes, beanstalk. So beanstalk is the correct answer. Jack jumped on the beanstalk. Please students, make sure while you are writing the answer, you also check the spelling, that if you have made any spelling mistake, you should correct it. Especially in the exam, when you have to give the answer like this in one word, if you make the spelling mistake in that word, we can cut your marks, we can deduct your marks. Okay, number 4. The giant's wife gave Jack dash and dash. Now, try to remember the story. Jack went up from the beanstalk. He reached to the sky. He went into the giant's house with the giant's wife. Jack insisted that he wanted breakfast. So giant's wife gave 2 things to Jack. Which 2 things giant's wife gave? Try to think. The smart students, the students who have already prepared well, they have already written the answer, I know. So what is the answer? Milk and cheese. So let us write the answer. Milk and cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. I hope students you are writing the answer. Milk and cheese. Now, last one, number 5. When the giant said lay, the hen laid dash egg. You know, for the second time, for the first time when the Jack went up, when he was eating milk and cheese, suddenly giant came in the house. Giant's wife hid Jack into the oven. And then when the giant said to bring the hen, his wife brought the hen, kept it on the table. Immediately giant said lay. So which egg did the hen laid? Yes, golden egg. So golden is the answer. Please have a look on the answers. I hope students you are writing the answers. Please make sure you do not make any spelling mistake, any silly mistake, because of which we can cut your marks. So when you revise it again and again, you have to look at the answers, spellings, everything. Okay, now I suppose that you should have finished writing the answers. Now let us move towards the second and the last topic of today's revision lecture. But you have to write the questions. Now take the new page and give the heading question answers. On the new page, give the heading question answers. Now I am going to clear the board so that I can write question answers for you all. And I will also give the new heading. I hope you are writing on the new page question answers. Okay, so I have cleared my board. Now I am going to give the heading. I am going to give the heading question answers. You have to write the question. So please make sure. Now this we are going to solve one by one. So let's get started. I hope you have written the heading by now. So let's write the first question and solve it. So question number 1. Where did the giant's wife hide Jack? Please write down the question, my dear students. Where did the giant's wife hid Jack? It should be hid. So H-I-D. Hid Jack. Okay. So please write down the question. Where did the giant's wife hide Jack? I hope you are writing the questions, my dear students. Okay, now let us solve this answer. Let us write the answer. Now, like I said, and by solving, fill in the blanks, I have already gave you the answer for this. For the first time, when Jack went up onto the sky through the beanstalk, giant's wife provided milk and cheese to Jack. Now suddenly giant came. So giant's wife and Jack both are very much afraid. So where did giant's wife hide the Jack to keep it away from the giant? Do you remember? Let us write the answer. So answer number 1. Giant's wife hid Jack into the oven. O-V-E-N, oven. Please write the answer, my dear students. Giant's wife hid Jack into the oven. Please write down the answer. Okay, I am going to write number 2 for you. So, question 2. Now, question 2 is, what did giant do with his golden heart? What did the giant do with his golden heart? Question mark. Please write down another question, my dear children. What did the giant do with his golden heart? You know he had golden heart, right? For the second time when the Jack went up, he saw the golden heart. Please write the question. Again, you can leave one line if you want. My suggestion is to leave one line. So what did the giant do with the golden heart? Let us write the answer. Answer 2. The giant ordered golden harp to sing. The giant ordered the golden harp to sing. So for the second time, when Jack went up through the beanstalk, he saw the golden harp. and giant ordered golden harp to sing. So automatically harp started playing music and singing the best song. Please write the answers. Again, please make sure you do not make any spelling mistake while you are writing the answer. Please make sure you do not make any spelling mistake while writing the answer. I hope, my dear students, you have written answer number 1. So, I am going to erase number 1 and write question 3 there. Okay, so please keep writing number 2 if you have not finished. This is the good opportunity for those who are having the doubt in any answer or those who do not have the theory part. Question 3. What was the name of Jack's cow? What was the name of Jack's cow? As soon as you finish writing this answer number 2, please write question 3, which is very easy question. What was the name of Jack's cow? Please write it down. I hope, students, you are writing it, and I have faith on you that you are following each and every instruction. Okay, let us write the answer for question number 3. So, answer number 3 is Milky White was the name of Jack's cow. Milky White was the name of Jack's cow. So the main answer is this much, and the remaining sentence is from the question only. Was the name of Jack's cow. Did you observe that? Half of the answer is always from the question. So you just have to remember the main answer, which is Milky White. Please write it down. Again, I will repeat question 3 and answer 3. Question 3. What was the name of Jack's cow? Answer 3. Milky White was the name of Jack's cow. Okay, my dear students, so it is the time to end my lecture here. I hope that you were writing there at your home as you are writing here in the school, as your sir is also standing in front of you as you are learning in the school. So please make sure you follow each and every instruction. You try to write the question and answer, both the things. Like I said, that is why I am bringing the revision lecture again and again in a different way, so that you will be able to revise each and everything, and exams will no longer be hard for you. I'll come with another interesting revision lecture. Till then, make sure you take care of yourself. Goodbye.